Hello everyone, welcome to Tech and Travel Soul. Today we have another amazing product with you to unbox and review. It's Monster Rocker Sport 270 Bluetooth speaker. It's up to 60 watts and 270 degree sound, playback up to 24 hours, which is quite amazing. And it's weather resistant up to IPX4. So let's explore some other features. So the top features are the power is up to 60 watts and up to 24 hours of playback music. New 270 degree sound with speaker front, left and right, guitar, microphone input, LED display with EQ and radio presets, and digital signal processor. Monster is one of the good companies in market in speakers and tech products. So let's just unbox it and we will check the sound quality as well. So in the box we have one piece speaker, one charging power cable, instruction manual or user manual, and quick start guide. Let me show you speaker from the sides. For now I'm really impressed with the finishing and the quality and the feel of this speaker. It's really amazing. So at the back, this is the power. This is where you will plug the power cable, and this is on-off button. This is the handle. You have speakers on the sides also. So without any further ado, I'm gonna turn it on. Here you go. It lights up.
Connected.
So this is the gain knob to increase or decrease the effects. This is mic or guitar input, and this one is aux in. You can use aux cable here, and this is USB output 5 volt 1 ampere. So this is keep in mind here, this is not for the USB or SD card songs. This is actually output which you can use to charge your devices, your cell phones and other devices. And this speaker works as a portable power bank as well. So that's the good thing in this speaker. But it comes only aux cable and mic and guitar input, and of course Bluetooth. The main feature is Bluetooth. So this source is to select the mode. For now it's on Bluetooth.
Aux in.
This is aux in.
FM radio.
FM radio.
Bluetooth. Connected.
And this is the Bluetooth connection button, and this TWS button is to pair another Monster speaker. So another good feature is if you have two Monster speakers and they are within the range of 3 meters, with the help of this button you can connect both of those speakers and you can enjoy more sound. And these two buttons are to change while you are in FM mode. So folks, the last thing I'm gonna show you, we are going to connect microphone with this Monster speaker, just to show you. So usually these microphones, they come with this 3.5 mm jack, and on LED screen it already picked it up automatically, which is also a good feature in this speaker. Now let's test the sound. Hello, 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 testing, hello. Welcome to Tech and Travel Soul. Hello, hello, testing. This is Tech and Travel Soul, and we are giving review and unboxing of our Monster Rocker Sport 270 Bluetooth speaker. Hello, hello, testing. Okay, folks, I am testing my small Sylvania speaker by charging with this Monster, and on the same time also I'm gonna play sound so we can feel the sound difference also. So folks, now let's just test the sound quality of this Monster Rocker 270 Bluetooth speaker. Here you go.
Give me all you've got if you're prepared to break the silence.
So 32 is the full volume.
Sunshine, running beside the lions. I've been feeling down, but I've been looking up, afraid to fall.
So here I feel that the quality is pretty amazing, but they could have improved some sound. The sound is good, but it's not too good, I would say. There is a little bit room to improve the sound. And one more thing which I'm missing, that's a remote. If they could have add a tiny remote to this product, then it would give amazing results, for sure. So overall, I like the product. In fact, I love the quality. The only thing I missed with regards to price, because it's around 130 to 140 bucks. If they could have increased the sound a bit and provide the remote with this, then for sure it's a must buy with those two things. So that was the review and unboxing for this Monster Rocker Sport 270 wireless speaker. So I hope you liked and you enjoyed this video. For more tech and travel related videos, please stay tuned and like and subscribe Tech Travel Soul. We are